Hello small mobile fans, happy holidays and season's greetings to you all. You will agree with me that the Huawei's Y9 2019 and Tecno Camon 11 Pro are currently the two top-notch smartphones in the African market because despite their elegant designs and flagship-like specifications, they are sold at a budget-friendly price. That is, both smartphones give you more bang for your buck or more value for your money. I want to quickly take some of your precious time to share with you guys some information about the notch design of both smartphones and how it affects the display when turned on or off. There are some smartphone users out there who love the notch display and still want the ability to turn it off when necessary. Fortunately, the Huawei Y9 2019 and Tecno Camon 11 Pro both have the notch turn off feature. But what I really appreciate is what happens when you turn off the notch. But with Huawei Y9 2019, the notification bar remains at the top, thereby allowing you to still enjoy the full display experience. The Tecno Camon 11 Pro also gives you the same advantage. That is, it allows you to enjoy the full screen without compromising on the display size. But the notch size in the Camon 11 Pro looks so big after seeing the notch size of the Huawei Y9 2019, and this makes me prefer the notch design of the Huawei Y9 2019. Huawei had to shrink the speaker and notification LED light above the notch, which is classy. Another thing I love about hiding the notch in the Huawei Y9 2019 is that the blackened out section of the top has curved corners that actually match up symmetrically with the curved corners of the bottom bezel, which retains the beauty of the display design and also looks more appealing to the eyes. Whereas in the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, the blackened out section of the top has square or straight corners that doesn't actually quite match up symmetrically with the rounded corners of the bottom bezels, which makes the display design look awkward and ugly. In my own opinion, the notch design and implementation in the Huawei Y9 2019 is better than the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. So guys, which of the two smartphones is your top-notch smartphone for 2018? Kindly comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay humble. Bye.